Hey, it's Jacqui Hodges, and I encourage you to love the skin that you're in. If this is your first time here, welcome. You're only a guest one time. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, well, welcome back. I am so excited for the conversation that we're gonna have today. It's about my secret age-fighting skincare trifecta. This is not going to be your normal cleanse, exfoliate, tone, moisturize conversation. This conversation is going to be based on my own personal research about age-fighting skincare ingredients. It's also going to be based off some dermatologist recommendations, my skin type, and my personal experience. The privilege last week to share this secret regimen with my private beauty group. And so today you're the second to learn about it. Now, if you're not a member of my private beauty group, you should be. It's where I share my secrets and lots of other fun stuff. You can find the link to my private beauty group in the description of this video. You can also find all the other places that I hang out online. There's links there to that too. And maybe you should like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. But let's go back to sharing. If there are people in your life, women, that you've been having this age-fighting conversation with, like you've said things like, my skin's not like what it used to be. It doesn't look the way it used to. It doesn't feel the way it used to. I don't like the way my skin looks right now. Why is that wrinkle there? All the things that we are noticing about our skin as our skin is changing. Well, I was noticing those same things too, and so I decided to do something about it. And so today, I'm going to share with you what I decided to do. So the question is, drop this in the comments. Do you have a daily skincare routine? Are you a minimalist? Like, I just want to wash my face and put some moisturizer on. Are you already give me all the age-fighting products? Or are you like, what's a skincare routine? So drop that in the comments and let me know where you are on that spectrum. Like minimalist, give me the age-fighting stuff, or what's a skincare routine? Okay, so let's talk about antioxidants. Like, all right, Jacqui, you've put 2 supplements that are antioxidants into your skincare routine, but what does that even mean? Like, what is an antioxidant? This is important. You need to know this if you want to figure out what your skin needs, what ingredients are best for your age-fighting skincare regimen. When you're creating your own trifecta, you need to know about antioxidants. So let me give you an example. The sun is this big ball of fire in the sky, and it's full of energy, and it sends out particles of energy all over the whole earth. And those little particles of energy, let's just say they're like little bullets. And those little bullets are called free radicals. And those free radicals touch the surface of your skin. So we know, of course, we know that sunscreen, we can protect ourselves from the free radicals. We can protect ourselves from the sun's rays with sunscreen. But what free radicals do when they impact the surface level of our skin, and free radicals can also come from pollution that's in the air, chemicals that are in the air, anything that's in the air that will get on the surface of your skin. And so we want to neutralize the free radicals that touch our skin, because what free radicals do is they destroy the good skin cells that are there. And so free radicals enhance premature aging, free radicals enhance sun damage, free radicals enhance the appearance of uneven skin, free radicals help to break down the elasticity in your skin. And so So we want to neutralize the free radicals. And this year, I found a serum that brought really, really, really great repairing results when it came to neutralizing the free radicals on my skin.
So I added in vitamin C to my daily skincare routine. Vitamin C serums are a favorite among dermatologists. They're the most studied antioxidants available on the market. Other than being a free radical scavenger, vitamin C has other benefits like boosting collagen production and fading dark spots. And that was the number one reason that I initially started using vitamin C, was because I wanted to brighten up my dark spots.
But since starting on this age-fighting skincare ingredient journey, I've learned a lot about collagen, and collagen is actually a building block to our skin. It's a foundational, that's a better word, foundational.
So once I learned about the importance of collagen, I knew I wanted to find out what I could do to boost collagen production. And so I discovered a product called Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A. And it's one anti-aging ingredient that's been proven time and time again to help turn back the clock on aging skin. It is able, because of its molecular structure, to penetrate deep into your skin so that it can effectively stimulate collagen production. It accelerates cell renewal, so it helps give you that youthful glow that you might be missing. It helps to smooth fine lines and wrinkles and improves the skin tone in the process.
Okay, so don't click off this video right now if you've heard bad stories or bad experiences about retinol. Like, I had heard those same kind of experiences and things about retinol. But the product that I use, my favorite brand is Mary Kay. When Mary Kay introduced a high concentrated form of retinol, they also created a calming, soothing moisture milk and a retinization period that allows you and your skin to get used to high concentrated retinol. And I had no adverse effects when I started using such a powerful product. Have you ever tried retinol? Are you afraid? We know that dry, flaky skin is one of those things, and I did have just a touch of dryness right in this area and a little bit on my chin, but I was able to self-regulate and never had any skin that was peeling off my face. But I feel like my skin looks really, really great right now after going through the retinization process. And a really amazing thing that I get to do, because the company that I'm with, Mary Kay, we have forged together to form a new branch called Derma Cosmetics. And so by the backing of dermatologists, I am now being educated by dermatologists on how to educate you and how to walk with you through your retinization process. So if you've ever wanted to try retinol and it's been just a little bit scary, well, guess what? You didn't have me. And so one thing that is just an added bonus of being a client of mine timeline is that when you decide that you want to start the retinol journey, then you get me as your skincare coach. And so I am able to, during that 8-week retinization period, I'm able to walk with you and have a check-in with you once a week just to see how your skin is being impacted. And so if you are like, hey, I need a skincare coach, tell me more about the retinization process, drop that in the comments. I answer every comment myself, and I would love to have a conversation with you about the retinization.
Okay, this is the last stop in our skincare trifecta, and it's going to be the one you're like, hey, I knew about this, or I'm already using that. And that is just an SPF. I got serious in the last year about using SPF every single day, no matter what it looked like outside, no matter if I was going to be inside or outside. I knew that the sun's damaging UVA and UVB rays were causing premature aging, were depleting my collagen, and were also going to just create more dark sun damaged spots, even if I was correcting and brightening them with my vitamin C serum. I knew I wanted to protect. And so the SPF 30, I use Timewise 3D Day Cream with SPF 30 as my daily moisturizer.
And that's a wrap on my secret skincare trifecta. Now, remember, these 3 products that I mentioned, they are based off my needs, my experience, and my skin type. If you don't have a skincare routine, an everyday skincare routine that you already love, then I would love to serve you just by talking more in the comments or in a personalized consultation with my thoughts and ideas on what kind of products or what kind of routine would even be right for your skin type and your lifestyle. Now remember, I mentioned that I added in an antioxidant serum, vitamin C, I added in retinol, and I got serious about my SPF. So I want to ask you, are you already using any of the 3 parts of my skincare trifecta? Let me know. Are you using products, any of the 3 products that I mentioned, that you just love? Share that in the comments, because someone else might be looking for a suggestion or a recommendation. And then also I would love to know, of the 3 things, that's of course if you already have a daily skincare routine that you love, I would love to know the 3 parts of my trifecta, if you feel like they would be a good fit. Which one of those do you think that might be the next step to a skincare supplement that I need in my skincare routine? I'm really glad you watched all the way through. I know it was a lot of education and a lot of information, but I hope you feel better equipped now to take care of your own skin. So don't forget to subscribe. I release new videos on Tuesdays. Like this, share it with the women in your life that you've been talking to about your age-fighting skincare concerns. And until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.